Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to your VITE VI Tech Explorer YouTube channel. So after a huge gap, I have come back with another tutorial regarding WhatsApp. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some tips on how you can save and clear your storage on WhatsApp if you have facing a storage problem because of your WhatsApp. So before we started, let me to give you a brief introduction. Okay, as you know, in our WhatsApp, we will receive a lots of medias, photos, documents, links, etc., from a lot of chats, groups, and channels that we have, which can affect our storage space on our mobile. So today, in this video and in this tutorial, I'm going to guide and show you on how you can solve this problem, and probably I will use an Android device for this demonstration. If have any iPhone users, if you need a tutorial regarding this, let me know. I will try to arrange for it. So without any delay, let's start and jump to the tutorial. Let me open my WhatsApp.
Pause button. WhatsApp.
Okay, hope this speed will convenient for you. So now we need to click on more option, which have on up right corner.
More options button. Pop-up window.
Okay, then swipe to your left and click on settings.
Settings. Settings.
Right, next let's choose for manage storage.
Notification. Storage and data. Network usage. Auto download button.
Okay, here you go and need to click here.
Storage and data.
Alright, and then
Navigate up button.
let's look first what are the options which has been provided here.
60. Storage and data. Manage storage 321.4 MB button. Network usage 524.4 MB. Send 1.9 GB received button. Use less data for calls off. Proxy off button. Media upload quality HD quality. Media auto download. Voice messages are always automatically downloaded. When using mobile data, no media button. When connected on Wi-Fi, no media button. When roaming, no media button. Navigate up button. Storage and data.
Alright, these are the options which has been provided in this section. Now let me show you one by one. Okay,
Manage storage and data. When voice media use less network. Manage storage and data. Storage. Manage storage 321.4 MB button.
okay, why it's show like this here? Because this is total storage of which has been taken off my WhatsApp. So let's click here. Here what you can do to manage your storage is,
Manage storage.
if you click here,
321 MB 1.4 GB used free WhatsApp. 321 MB other apps 51 GB.
okay, here it will show you all the details completely, how much your storage has been taken. Okay,
Review and delete items.
okay,
Larger than 5 MB 29.7 MB video. Date August 27th, 2024 video. Date August 27th, 2024 video. Date August 28th, 2024. Tools to save space. Review. WhatsApp.
Okay, if we click the review and deleted items.
Navigate. Larger than 5 MB. 29.7 MB. Sort button. Size. Select all unchecked checkbox. Video. Date August 27. Video. Date August. Video. Select all unchecked checkbox.
Okay, here it will show the videos which has been saved on your WhatsApp. So you can select.
Size. Sort button.
You can also review it by
Sort by. Sort by.
sort by
Newest.
newest,
Oldest.
oldest,
Largest.
largest. Yeah, here you have 3 categories, so you can tick whatever categories that you want, and it will be sort the list by the category which you have chosen.
Back button. WhatsApp. Size. Select all unchecked checkbox. Video. Date August 27. Select all unchecked
Okay,
checkbox.
if I
4
click
items selected.
select all 4 items
Delete.
selected.
Star button. Delete button.
Okay,
Internal storage is running out. Please clean up. Clean up button. Okay. WhatsApp.
okay, this one probably maybe will be your status videos which you have already uploaded, or the videos which you have received from your chats. Anyway, I wouldn't want to delete it,
Back button.
so I will go to the next option.
Manage. Larger than 5 MB 20. Review and lock. Tools to save. Turn on disappear. Tools to save space. WhatsApp.
Okay, here you have tools to save space. Let's look at.
Navigate. Set messages to autumn. Disappearing messages.
Okay, you can set a disappear messages if you want to save a space, which means that the messages will be disappear automatically from your chats.
Set messages to automatically disappear. For added privacy, new messages will disappear for everyone from the chat after the duration you select. Chat members will see you turned this on. Learn more. Learn more. Set for your account. Default message timer. New chats will begin with a disappearing message timer. Set for your current chats. Apply timer to chats 5 chats using disappearing messages.
Okay, in this section you can choose by your need. So yeah,
Back
and
button.
next.
Manage. Turn on disappearing messages. Stay in control of future storage needs and build privacy into your chats. Button.
Okay, we click here, it will turn on the disappearing messages, I guess. I would want to do that, that's why I'm not clicking it.
Storage details.
Storage details, you can see here.
Search button. Store. Search. All check button. Chats uncheck button. Channels uncheck button.
Okay, here it have provide 3 categories. All, if by default it has been ticked on all. All means it will show all the list of your chats, groups and channels on WhatsApp which contained larger storage space. If you click on chats, it's only which show you a chat. If you click on channel, it will show only the channel list. But however, if the channels or groups or chats doesn't have or doesn't affect so much of storage, it will not show. It have a limitation. So let me show you.
Rendition unit or 277.5 MB button.
So it will show all your list of your chats together with the number of storage which has been taken. So yeah, that's
English Malaysia. 40. Rendition unit or WhatsApp.
okay. If I click here, if I click one of my chat,
Rendition unit 77.5 MB. Sort button.
okay, you also can review it by sort.
Size.
Okay, but I don't want.
Select all unchecked checkbox.
Okay, I will select all.
611 items selected.
Okay, it show like this, and I will click on delete.
Star button. Delete button.
You also can star it
77.5.
if you want.
Star. Delete button.
So I would like to delete it. I click on delete.
Delete items.
It will give you a confirmation messages.
Delete items with delete items. Items will be deleted from your WhatsApp media unless they are starred. Deleted items may still be saved on your device. Delete starred items uncheck checkbox.
Okay, you also can click if you want to delete any star messages that you have in the particular chat. I will click yes.
Checked. Cancel button. Delete button.
Delete.
WhatsApp. Deleting items.
It will take a few minutes. For complete the option. For complete the action.
0% progress bar.
Okay.
77 point WhatsApp.
It's done.
Navigate up. Revision unit or 2. 0K. Sort button. 0KB.
Alright. It's already become a 0 KB. So the same as well, the same procedure as well will goes to the following chats, groups, etc. Alright?
Navigate up. Map. Vic. Mip. V. Nat. G. And. Mat. Hat. Sub. App. View. Prius. App. Tap. App. View. Nasum. Unit. Fat. Miss. Signal. Mirror. Ed. View. View and Neural. View. Navigate up. View and. View and. Help the unit or. 24 chats and channels not displayed because they are taking up a small amount of storage.
Yes, if the chats, if you have the chats, groups and channels which taking up a small space, it will not showing up here. So yes, these are the one of the method that you can use for clean up your WhatsApp storage to keep your storage have more space. Okay, so that's all for today's tutorial. I have some more tricks, but I will show you in upcoming video, because if I show here it will cause the durations, it will cause the lengthy of durations, video durations. So see you in upcoming tutorial, guys. Stay tuned with your VI Tech Explorer YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments and if you have any suggestions, you can feel free to give at the comment section, comment box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video, because it will encourage and motivate us to make a more content which will be useful for visually challenged community especially. So thanks for watching. See you in upcoming tutorial. Bye bye.